You said you wanted the sign. Here it is. Isifikile.
As I'm telling aloud that is coming soon, kuzobe zenzeka. I'll be bringing politicians, farmers, Rastafarians, creatives, inyanga, I'm a politician, even sugar daddies, LGBTQ plus banbani community.
Uphetheni kwesakhe isikhwama. Ungabe uphethe umkhovu noma umantindana.
I'm bringing Ibele on the table.
Oh, usichazele. Njengoba ubona nje nathi siphethe okwethu.
Theaters and creatives are broke, but mina guys, I am booked. Loud is coming very soon. So besamba kanje. Sis.
Hey, ha! Get ready to dial in. The conversation just got real.
Man, uyazi ngiphuphe upresident engangiqabuli.
Come into your dreams and that. Lalela. Ngizokunika inamba la uzokwazi ukufona khona ukhuluma uqondane nami ngqa ungibuza umbuzo. Hayi belokhu bekusanganela. Enza njalo.